Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another great cobbler recipe, and it is one of my favorites next to peach. We're going to make Blackberry Cobbler. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and the best part, we're going to use fresh blackberries. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and this is the perfect dessert for springtime. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cobbler recipes, check out my cobbler recipes playlist and my previous video, Gullah Crab Rice. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your butter, and your fresh blackberries, sugar, because we're about to bake some blackberry cobbler magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here in my 9 by 13 inch baking pan, I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to place it into my oven. The oven's preheated to 350 degrees, and that's the same temperature we're going to bake the cobbler on. We're going to let that melt all the way, and while the butter's melting, we're going to get started on our berries. In my medium bowl, I have 3½ cups of fresh blackberries, and into our blackberries, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar, and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And give it a quick stir until they're well blended. And be careful not to mash them. It's going to create a glaze. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through stirring up my blackberries. And this is what they look like. Perfect. Now it's time to make the best part of the cobbler, the crust. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1½ cups of stuffed rice and flour. So we're going to start with 1 cup. Going to fluff it up. And level it off. Voila! Perfect cup. And now a half. Again, fluff it up. And level it off. And the perfect half a cup. And if you don't have stuffed rice and flour, you can use all-purpose flour and add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And give it a quick whisk until well combined. So that way our crust won't be lumpy. And this is the simplest and easiest crust to make. You can do this in your sleep. Alrighty. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a ½ teaspoon of pure almond extract, and 1½ cups of milk. Y'all know what my favorite milk is? Yep, evaporated milk. Going to add a little and whisk this in. Alrighty, now it's time to add in the rest. And continue whisking until everything's well incorporated. Can smell the cinnamon, the vanilla and almond extract. Smells heavenly. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our crust is complete. And our butter's melted. I'm going to get that out of the oven, and then we're ready to build our cobbler. Now we're going to pour the batter on top, like so. And now we're going to add on our blackberries. Add them on top. And this is the important step. You don't want to stir the berries into the crust. We want the crust to rise up and cover the berries, or the berries would just sink down in the crust. It's a magic recipe. Get all that yummy glaze. Look at this beautiful cobbler, and it's not even baked yet. Now we're ready to put it in the oven. Again, it's at 350, the same temperature we melted the butter in. We're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes until the crust is golden brown. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern Blackberry Cobbler. Doesn't that look good? And look at the blackberries just oozing out of there. And it smells incredible. So now I'm going to let my cobbler cool for about 10 minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And I garnished it with some vanilla ice cream and some fresh blackberries. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some crust, a little ice cream. Look at that. Have a bite. The berry's nice and tender, and the crust is perfectly cooked and buttery. Oh, ain't nothing like fresh berries. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Berry cobbler-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.